My proposed restoration site is the Red Sea Coral Reef. It is in the Middle East by countries like Egypt, Sudan, and Saudi Arabia. The Red Sea Coral Reef is a marine habitat with elaborate coral formations. The water's temperature ranges from about 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. The reefs are known for their vibrant and colorful coral species. There are hard corals like the acropora and porites, and soft corals like sea fans and sea webs. The reef structure houses a variety of sea life in its complicated landscapes, including over 1,200 species of fish and 200 species of coral. The reefs provide necessary ecosystem services such as coastal protection, habitats for marine species, climate regulation, and areas for local fisheries and tourism. Beyond these ecological benefits, the reef is an important site for scientific research and holds cultural and historical importance for local communities. Next, I'll discuss some threats the coral reef faces. The most pressing issue in the Red Sea Coral Reef is the rising sea temperature. Climate change causes coral bleaching, where corals expel beneficial algae living in their tissue. This results in a loss of color and nutrients and causes coral to become susceptible to diseases. Prolonged bleaching can cause coral death, which directly reduces the reef's biodiversity and weakens the entire ecosystem. Another prevalent issue is pollution, seen in runoff from coastal development, agriculture, and tourism, causing harmful substances to get into the water. These pollutants can include chemicals, plastics, and other waste materials. Chemicals, like pesticides and fertilizers from agriculture, can find their way into the water and cause nutrient imbalances, which often lead to eutrophication and block the sun from marine life. Next, I'll move on to some proposed restoration. The United States Agency for International Development has committed about $15 million to the Red Sea Initiative. This initiative aims to protect the Red Sea's coral reef and some of the surrounding ecosystem against the impacts of climate change and human activity. The Red Sea Global, or RSG, has pioneered a coral gardening pilot project, which involves monitoring reef sites, rescuing coral through relocation, and testing coral farming techniques to restore coral reefs. Lastly, I'll discuss a potential reintroduction. Reintroduction involves bringing species back that have been extirpated from the Red Sea. I propose the reintroduction of the giant clam. The giant clam can help restore the reef's ecological balance by improving nutrient cycling and providing habitats for other marine organisms. The Red Sea Coral Reef is a vital and irreplaceable ecosystem that provides numerous benefits to marine and human life. It is our responsibility to restore, preserve, and protect this ecosystem. The world is shifting its focus away from the environment. We need to shift it back. Without focusing on the environment, we risk losing the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. We are responsible for this earth, so let's keep it healthy.